Mr. Alden Richards, is it true na may proposal sa network ni Catherine Bernardo? But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo, of course, magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko pong pasalamatan kayo for always watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much sa inyong laging panonood at pagsubaybay. This time, bago tayo magpatuloy, ay magbasa tayo ng ilan sa mga comment ninyo sa comment section. Dahil una natin tong si Mr. Renato Sayan. Sabi niya, I don't think so. Yun ang reason ni na Catherine, hindi pwedeng conflict of schedule. Kaya nakadalo, nagkataong pre yung schedule ni Catherine. So dumalo siya kahit dapat kasama siya sa pamimigay ng relief goods sa Cebu. Sa mga tao na natamaan ng lindol sa Cebu. Resides her Ate K besides Ate K. So sabi ni Miss Raquel Bersosa, yung ibang fans at fandom Miss Darrets hindi kasi nakakaintindi. Sa love team talaga sila tumatambay. Feeling nila teenager pa si Alden at Catherine. Wala ba kayong napansin? Binubuwag na ang mga love teams kasi bukod sa mahina na ang showbiz, kailangan din mag-grow ng artista, hindi pang love team ang team up o tema ng showbiz ngayon. Dapat baguhin natin ang system ng paggawa ng mga palabas. Nakakaumay na rin kaya kapag puro yung mga mukha ng isang love team lang ang napapanood natin, di ba? Tsaka napag-iwanan na tayo pagdating sa mga palabas. Kaya yung mga mahilig sa love team dyan, magmuni-muni rin kayo kung bakit hindi na nagbi-build up ng mga love team. Tsaka kapag may mga love team kasi, tama yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Raquel ha, sabi ni Mr. Renato Sayan, I like your point of view, Miss Darrets, it makes sense. Besides, meron din si Alden at directorial kung movie kung tutuusin na unahan pa ng HLA ang out of order. Kaya tama kayo doon. It makes sense now or nalilinawan na ako ngayon sa cut din. Tama, hindi binigyan na ng too much attention. Which is true, diba? Parang napatunayan naman na nila yung sarili nila. So, kaya ginagawa na po yan ngayon. And then, tama rin sinasabi ni Miss Raquel na ang takbo ng showbiz ngayon ay hindi na po talaga pang love team, hindi na po uso, no? So, gusto na rin talaga ng Philippine showbiz na mag-iba na ng style. Kasi, sa ibang bansa po, hindi na po ganyan eh. Parang mas, yung mga talagang mapapakinabangan mga movies yung kanilang ginagawa, tsaka extraordinary yung kanilang mga movies na nilalabas na pag-iiwanan na nga naman talaga ang Pilipinas. So, anyways, eto na, no, i-congratulate natin si Mr. Alden Richards for being or one of the most influential celebrities at 11th Eduk Circle Awards. Lalo pong umingay at lalong pinag-usapan po sa social media nang i-announce si Mr. Alden Richards pala ay isa rin sa mga awardee sa Eduk Circle kung saan inatenan ni Miss Catherine. Kaya tuloy talagang namumuo sa mga isipan po nila na may something nga or parang may misunderstanding or nag-iiwasan si Alden at si Catherine dahil hindi umaten si Alden kahit may award siya. According to Sparkle GMA Artist Center on Monday, the Asia Multimedia star was honored with the Most Influential Celebrity of the Year award during the recent awarding ceremony. The Kapuso actor also shared sparkle posts on his Instagram stories. Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera also took home the Most Influential Celebrity of the Year, where they shared about the responsibility that comes with the recognition and being an inspiration to the youth. For Alden, the award is an addition for his long line of accolades. Back in August, he also received the Men Who Matters 2025 trophy from People Asia magazine. Per the actor, the recognition is another motivation to do more and be more. He also recently remarked his directorial debut with Out of Order, which is now available for streaming on Netflix. The film premiered at 2025 Jagran Film Festival in India in September, was featured in the competition section of Vietnam Da Nang Asian Film Festival in July. In September, Hello Love Again, Alden's film with Catherine Bernardo won the Bronze Award for the Best Asian Feature Film, Telemovie, and Viewer's Choice Award under the Favorite Movie category at the Content Asia Awards 2025. While he juggles flight school, cycling, and running, Alden is also committed to his advocacy work, which includes education and literacy among the youth and the rights and welfare of movie workers, a board member of the Movie Workers Welfare Foundation or MOWEL Fund. Alden is currently the host of the Stars on the Floor, which is set to air its final dance battled on October 18. So, ganun ka-galing at ganun ka talaga kinikilala ang isang Alden Richards sa kanyang larangan, ano. So, sa isang updates din po ay sinasabing may mga sinabi rin na itong si Miss Heaven Peraleo patungkol dito kay Mr. Alden Richards. Ibinahagi niya na talagang sobrang nagulat siya nung pinili nga siya nito na maging isa sa mga kasama niya. Not as a love team, but talagang documentaries talagang ginawa po nila, parang ganun true to life story, 'di ba? At mga abogado po sila dito. At sinabi nga nitong si Miss Heaven Peralejo, si Mr. Alden Richards daw is very caring. May times daw di umano na pinapadalan pa siya ng prutas. At sobrang sweet daw ni Alden Richards sa set, no? This is the reason why marami mga girls na talagang nami-misinterpret si Alden Richards sa pagiging sa pagiging gentleman, feeling tuloy ng mga babae may gusto si Alden Richards sa kanila. Well, in fact, lahat ata ng mga babae ginaganto niya Parang pag may nakasama siyang mga actress, 'di ba? Parang binibigyan niya ng food, pinaalagaan niya, no? At dito po sa pagkakataong ito dahil director siya, talagang ganun yung pinapakita niya sa mga talents niya, no. Sabi nga ni Miss Heaven, I didn't expect that I would land the role, she said. I even asked them if they were sure about choosing me. They said yes, and Alden told me he believed I could give justice to the character. He also promised to take good care of me, and he did. Sabi niya, in the film, Heaven plays a public prosecutor who becomes Alden's love interest. Okay, naging love interest pala siya ni Alden dito. To prepare, she immersed herself in the world of law. I did my research, she shared. A friend of mine taking up law, and he would bring me along to observe cases. That helped a lot in understanding my character. Alden not only stars in the film but also direct it. Heaven admit that this setup came with both perks and challenges. Pero, isa sa pinakamaganda at pinaka-positibong balita na nasagap po natin, na parang may proposal po itong si Alden Richards sa ABS-CBN to make another movie, or parang hindi siyang actor pero gusto niyang i-direct yung magiging proyekto ni Miss Catherine Bernardo. Kasi syempre si Catherine, kahit sabihin na natin siya po ay parang tinaguri ang queen sa kanya pong henerasyon, dahil sila dalawa ni Alden Richards ang wala pa pong nakakabit doon sa record po nila. So isa sa mga ginagawa ngayon ni Alden Richards, most requested po yan dahil nga talagang ina-awardan si Alden for being a good directors. Although may sinasabi ng mga bashers na may mga flaws pa yung kanyang ginawang movie, pero ang lakas po ng loob ni Alden Richards na mag-propose na gusto niya po na magkaroon ng, kung magkakaroon man ng movie si Miss Catherine, gusto niyang siya yung maging mag-director nito, mag-direct, diba? So why not? Hindi naman po imposible yun. So kayo po, anong inyong saloobin patungkol dito? Mag-comment kayo sa comment section. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV, and Dar Eds channel. God bless everyone!